Good morning, students. Topic of the day is conjunctions, or we can say connectors. Now, what is the definition of connectors or conjunctions? A conjunction is a word that joins words, phrases, clauses, or sentences. Okay, and now the types of conjunctions. Two types: subordinating conjunctions or coordinating conjunctions. Okay, now see, I have written here for you. First definition I have written here: a conjunction is a word that join words, phrases, clauses and sentences. Okay, now kinds of conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions. In coordinating conjunctions we talk about such sentences which has equal rank or equal grammatical rank. B. Subordinating conjunctions. In subordinating conjunctions, actually we join two types of sentences, dependent and independent. Okay, in which we have one dependent clause and in second one we have independent clauses. Okay, now first of all we will do coordinating conjunctions. There are four types of coordinating conjunctions. You can see I have written here. First, cumulative or copulative conjunctions. And in this conjunction we study about the facts. I have written. Second, alternative or disjunctive conjunctions. In this conjunction we study about the choices. Next, adversative. In this conjunction we study about contrast or opposition. For elative, means in this conjunction we study about the result. According result we use such types of conjunctions. Okay, and now first of all we will do this cumulative conjunctions. Okay, yes, first we will do cumulative. As I have written here some sentences, so according this these we will try to understand. Okay, first and also, to, now, not less than, as well, not only but also, both and. Now see the sentence: you are rich and I am poor. The use of and. Next, Sony is both beautiful and intelligent. Okay. Next, he as well as his brother is guilty. वह भी अपने भाई के जितना ही गिल्टी है. She no less than her sister. No less than is intelligent. वह भी अपनी बहन से कम इंटेलिजेंट नहीं है. अजय वेंट टू द सिनेमा. हिज ब्रदर टू, भी उसका भाई भी गया था. मीन्स अजय वेंट टू द सिनेमा, हिज ब्रदर टू. अजय सिनेमा गया था, उसका भाई भी गया था. मीन्स टू भी. गीता अटेंडेड द फंक्शन, हिज ब्रदर एज वेल. मीन्स गीता ने फंक्शन अटेंड किया और उसके भाई ने भी. मीन्स दे बोथ वेंट देयर. नेक्स्ट, रितु is not only intelligent but also, not only but also laborious. Ritu is not only intelligent but also laborious. Okay, so in this way we use of these cumulative conjunctions. And next we will do alternatives. Yes, in this alternatives we discuss about the choices. Okay, how, either or, या तो यह या वह, neither nor, नहीं यह नहीं वह, or means या, else otherwise or else we can use in place of each other. Now see the examples. Either you or your brother is guilty means या तो आप या आपका भाई guilty है. Second, neither you nor your friend is laborious. Neither you नहीं आप नहीं आपका friend laborious है. Make haste or else you will miss the train. Make haste जल्दी करें, कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि आप ट्रेन मिस कर दें या आप ट्रेन मिस कर देंगे. वर्क हार्ड अदरवाइज यू विल फेल. वर्क हार्ड अदरवाइज अन्यथा यू विल फेल, आप फेल हो जाएंगे. ओके, हैव यू गॉट दिस? एंड नाउ नेक्स्ट वी विल डू एडवर्सेटिव. Yes, now we will do adversative. Adversative means opposite thoughts. How? First words we will see: but, still, yet, nevertheless, however, while, whereas, only. Anyway, now see the examples. I felt angry, but I kept quiet. I felt angry but I kept quiet. मुझे गुस्सा आया but I kept quiet, लेकिन मैं चुप रहा. In this way, he is very poor still yet he is contented means satisfied. यद्यपि he is very poor, वह गरीब है फिर भी वह contented है. I had no money, nevertheless I helped him. I had no money, तो भी, nevertheless तो भी, in spite of this तो भी, I helped him, मैंने उसकी हेल्प की, तो भी. मोहन is rich while whereas जबकि, his brother is poor. मोहन रिच है जबकि उसका ब्रदर पुअर है. नेक्स्ट, डू व्हाट यू लाइक, करें जो आप चाहते हैं. ओनली मेक नो नॉइज, केवल शोर मत करें. इन दिस वे. ओके, आई थिंक यू हैव गॉट दिस. एंड नाउ नेक्स्ट वी विल डू इलेटिव. Yes, now in this elative we discuss about the result. When we discuss about the result, then elative conjunctions are used. How? See, therefore, so, for, then, hence, consequently. Now see the examples. He was found robbing, so therefore anyone we can use because you can see here he was found robbing. उसे robbing करते हुए पाया गया means first of all he did something, then so therefore he was arrested. इसलिए उसको arrest किया गया means why was he arrested, उसको arrest क्यों किया गया? because he was found robbing. so उसके result में उसको arrest किया गया. okay, as I have told you, this elative conjunction we use when we talk about result. Next, you have not obtained good marks, hence you cannot be admitted. आपने अच्छे मार्क्स गेट नहीं किए, hence you cannot be admitted. She did not work, उसने वर्क नहीं किया. so और consequently she failed, इसलिए वो फेल हो गई. anyone we can use here. the days are long for it is June. now we are talking about days of June. the days are long, days काफी बड़े होते हैं because यानी कि जून की वजह से, है ना. the days are long for it is June. जून की वजह से days काफी long होते हैं. okay, so in this way first we have completed coordinating conjunctions and next subordinating conjunctions we will do in next video. okay, so till then you have to note down these all. okay, and you can watch this video again if you do not get this. okay, goodbye.